Hey guys, I had a really amazing bike ride today and I did some video, some part of it. But I did flew the drone today at the Lombard Street, and I flew the drone at Lions Steps and the Golden Gate. So yeah, but these are just clips of the videos where I went today. I went on a bike ride, so I rode about 20 miles, 25 miles today, just like going around city of San Francisco, but it's really awesome. So here are the videos. We're here in the Lombard Street. As you can see, there is zigzaggy road. I'm gonna go on the other side. Guys, we're here in the Lombard Street, and this is a video of the Lombard Street. You guys can see there is this zigzaggy road here, and all the way down there. There's some seals out here. There's more seals out there, guys. And the seals. Pretty cool. And there's the Alcatraz. Wow. That's pretty cool. I don't think I can fly the drone out here, so look at the houses here. This is kind of creepy. Oh man, but that's awesome.